This is a great time of year to find the Pleiades. The Pleiades is super cool to see in the sky. It's an open star cluster. Let me just show you what it looks like. If you're looking at the sky, it's going to look kind of something like this. You'll see it's this a group of faintish stars that are all together. It's sometimes called the Seven Sisters. It's an open star cluster. It's really pretty. It'll look like almost just a little cloud until you look really closely and you can see that there's these stars. It's actually called Subaru in Japanese, and that's what the logo of Subarus is, the Pleiades. You know, if you look at it through a telescope, or if you've seen pictures through a telescope, it looks kind of like this question mark. Super cool. It won't look like that to your eyes, but that's what it actually looks like up close. It's got even these clouds kind of in it. So how do you find this thing? Well, right now it is March, but really anytime in the winter, you can find this thing. So I'm going to look right here on my star wheel, 8, 9 o'clock at night. I'm going to line that up with March, early March, 'cause that's where I'm at in time here. And that means that in the evening, if I look towards the south, I can see the constellation Orion, right here, Orion. And Orion's a great constellation to learn. And one of the great parts about it, it has these 3 bright stars that are together, Orion's belt, right? And so if you find Orion's belt, the 3 stars of Orion's belt point in a straight line towards a bright star called Aldebaran. And if you follow that line, the 3 stars of Orion's belt to Aldebaran, it takes you right to the Pleiades. You'll know when you see it because it is that kind of like cloud in the sky. But let me just show you here in Stellarium as well. I've changed my location to be somewhere near where I live. As long as you're in the Northern Hemisphere, you'll be fine. And I'm going to change the time so that it's sunset-ish, okay, shortly after dark. That's the time we're going to be observing. And I'm going to look to the south, and there it is. Orion's belt, the 3 stars right across there. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit. The 3 stars are going to point in a straight-ish line to a bright star. What is it? Aldebaran. And then I go further, and there it is, the Pleiades. So check it out. Tell me, did you get a chance to see the Pleiades? Add something in the comments. I want to know. Try to take a picture of it. If you can adjust the camera settings to take a little bit longer exposure, you should be able to capture the Pleiades in your own photographs. Impress your significant other or potential significant other with your vast astronomy knowledge by being like, oh, look, the 7 sisters, Pleiades, they're setting in the west. All right, have fun.